How to change Gmail profile picture. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, in just few steps, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Gmail profile picture. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open up your Gmail application. Once you do so, get logged into your specific Gmail account. Then you will see an initial on your top right hand side. Tap it. In here, you will see Manage Your Google Account. Tap onto that button. As you do so, you will get landed onto a page like this. Now at this page, you will see your initial, your username, and also your Gmail address. You have to tap onto your initial at the top page. As you do so, it will show you profile picture. Here you will see Add Profile Picture. Tap onto Add Profile Picture, and it will open up your gallery section. From there, choose any profile picture that you would like to add. Then once done, tap onto Save. And likewise guys, that is how easily you can add a profile picture onto your Gmail account. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.